welcome to my YouTube channel where I bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financial advice by me. So do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get notified about my upcoming video. Alright guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Join the Masses token. Here we are to the website of the project. This is a utility token powering the next generation of social media engagement. Let me tell you that they are a disabled veteran-owned and operated business established in Texas, US. They are launching their coin at the conclusion of this countdown. This coin is a long-term utility used on all web applications as currency as well. They will launch a new social media platform with a marketplace content creator platform in 3D social world with live benefits. They are also launching a membership program where members benefits are extremely huge and cannot disclose due to legal requirements. So all you have to do is to check the details on website. First of all, here we have the countdown, 20 days and 18 hours left for their pre-sale, and then you can check some more details about this project. Beyond a meme coin real utility, Mass is a Solana based utility token with a fixed total supply. Users of the platform can hold and spend Mass to participate, post and engage. This creates built-in sustained demand directly to platform activity. As the network grows, the Mass economy grows with it. You can check the total supply, which is 700 million, and then blockchain is Solana. You can check the starting price, which is mentioned here, which is 0.000021 so far till now. Then here we have some more details about the token distribution. You can check the platform rewards 40%, 30% for liquidity pool, 20% for future use, 10% for team and founders. So this is how the token distributed. And then here we have some more details about the technical specifications. You can check the token name, then the blockchain, then the token standard and the contract address. This is a utility token used for participation on the Mass social platform, posting, engaging, accessing premium feature. Then we have some more details about the legal classification, and then some more details about the liquidity, minting, etc. So how to enter Orbit? First of all, you have to get a wallet. You can download and set up Phantom or Trust wallet to connect to the Solana network. Then you have to acquire Solana. You can trade Solana and send it to your wallet address for gas fees, and then simply swap for Mass. On launch day, swap solve for Mass on Jupiter, Radium or directly via their platform. So here we have more details. You can submit your information to the first one to have access of social media platform and membership program. And also we have the Twitter link. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to stay in touch with the team, upcoming tweets, upcoming information about the project. So it's better to join the social links. You have to simply follow them on Twitter, and as well as you can simply here we have a link to the Telegram group. You have to simply join the Telegram community to stay in touch with the team and other members of the project. Okay guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description. Let me remind you once again that they are going to launch the coin at the conclusion of this countdown, so you can be the part of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get notified about my upcoming video. Thank you.